Right, this is March 2014, iphepha abalibhalwa le supplement la metric abalibhala ngo-2014 ngo-March. Lengane lezi ezangaphumelela ngo-November 2013 base bebanikeza ke leli phepha elinje. My advice to you people, each time when you revise, use lama phepha our supplement. Yabona this njengoba this year ngo-2022 ibhalwe ngo-June i-supplement, ubheka amaphepha ngo-June 2022 usudile nawo, ngoba iphepha le-supplement liba bukhuni ngoba bayazi ukuthi aligadwa kakhulu, bayaliqinisa nje, bayazi ukuthi lona elizogada wena ngeke udinga ukuthi umuntu akugade, so aqinile lawo maphepha awama supplement. So I will deal ne question la yonke le question la based la inama marks awu 13. So sizoqala ngaleyo question. Ile question on organic compounds. Question number 1, it write down the letter that represent a compound. So we write a letter. You just write down a letter. Kodwa ke mawubheka la nalana khohliwe la ukufaka singofaka hydrogen na structural formula, the letter that represent then we do a letter that represent a compound that is unsaturated. Now we know unsaturated hydrocarbons ilawa anama double bonds between carbon, not double bond, it's double bond between carbon. So butane to all, I know double bond between carbon. Pentanal, it's an aldehyde, no double bond between carbon. Methyl propanoid, so now it's saturated, you cannot add guana. This is ethanol, nuts. It is C that is unsaturated, which has double bond between carbon. Number 2, write down the letter that represents a compound that is a structural isomer of compound A. A structural isomer of compound A. Compound A inabo carbon about 4, nabo oxygen about 2, nabo hydrogen about 3, 6, about 8. So sifuna ukuchecka leso structure esinabo carbon about 4, nabo oxygen about 2, nabo hydrogen about 8. Ake sichecke. So it should be a structural isomer. Ake sibone methyl. We know ama isomers, our alcohols, ama carboxylic acids, ama ester. Sibone lo ester ukuthi unjani. Methyl, yes, methyl propanoid, sengiyenza nje nami sengiyenzela wena na ubone ukuthi hayi man lento yaze yalula, ungajahi ukuyiphendula. It's an isomer sishilo ngama isomers ilawa ezinama building blocks afanayo, ama building blocks yakhiwa into ezifanayo yize ke structure singafani. Ake sibone carbon mala 1 2 3 4 habe, oxygen 1 2 hayi ala master, hydrogen 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So ke ngamanye amazwi it's F, our answer it's F. So that is our answer. So uma ungahle ukukhumbule kahle sasithi ama isomers ama carboxylic acids, ama ester, ama isomers carboxylic acid abo ester. Which one is an aldehyde? Aldehyde nayo pentanal aldehyde, nana it's an aldehyde still. So that is the aldehyde. Which one belongs to the same homologous series as compound B? homologous series as compound B. This is an alcohol, or how? In a OH le, Nantia in a OH, so EPA belongs to homologous series as B. It's what? The answer is what? It's E. So our answer is E. So write down now, letters. So to write down the IUPAC name of compound C. What is the name of compound C? The IUPAC name of compound C. It's 1, 2, 3. Scala where there is a double bond. Scala corner is between carbon number 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, this cyclic structure is not syllabus. Syllabus. Because of COVID, yashintsha syllabus ngo-2022 kwashintsha kwaba nezinto abayithathayo nalena yabalekiswa yi-COVID. Kodwa ke phela okusalayo, you need to know this. Ngoba ukuthi COVID or no COVID uzoya e-tertiary ba-expect ukuthi angazi ukuthi uyothini kubona. Kodwa ke I guess if you use your common sense bakwethu, this is a functional group. In a double bond uqala la kwi-carbon uthi 1 2 why uya la ngoba i-side chain i-methyl kumele ibe eduze kwe-functional group, so you say 1 2 3 njalo njalo. So yini igama lale, it's 3-methyl cyclo, it means it's a cyclic structure. Cyclo, it's a cyclic structure. Sinabo carbon number cyclo, or carbon number 6 hex 1 in. Cyclo, it's a cyclic structure. Cyclo, it's 3-methyl cyclo. Less cyclic structure about 6, hence we say hex. Then the double bond is between carbon number 1 and 2. We say it's hex 1. It's an alkene in. So this is 3-methyl cyclohexene. Cyclo 1. Cyclohex 1 in, or 3-methyl 1 is cyclo 1 hexene, cyclo 1 hexene, cyclo, or 1 cyclohexene. In fact, it should be 1 cyclohexene. 1 cyclohexene. So we have something of that name. 3-methyl, 1 cyclohexene. That is the name, yellow number C. Utige equation, the structural formula of compound B. The structural formula of compound B. And when you draw these structures, use a lead pencil. Seventy lead pencil njengoba wenza ka life science, 70 lead pencil njengoba wenza ka mathematics naka science phela siyayifuna nathi, siyafuna phela nani recognize 70 lead pencil. Lead pencil, beauty or carbon number 4, 1 2 3 4. 2 all. So you label that 1 2 3 4. Between carbon number 2 and 3 there's a double bond. Oh, there's a butan 2 all. In carbon number 2 there is an OH. Oh, but wait, ngiyaqolisa ukufaka double bond. Bengifuna ukubona ukuthi alert kangakanani. So we have butan 2 all. So in carbon number 2 there is an OH, then sifaka O hydrogen napana. Using what? A lead pencil. You use a lead pencil. Kubalulekile bakwethu ngoba bashilo uyibhala kanje. This is yayibona inhle kanjani mo if bokwazi nje uyi-capture laphana uyifake kube i-status sakho laphana ku-WhatsApp. Hawu uyobona ukuthi uyophasa kangakanani uma une-status kuphi na ku-WhatsApp. Name the homologous series to which compound F belong. Compound F, it belongs to ester or esters. The name of the homologous series to which compound F belong is esters. Iyakhuluma iyaqhubeka ke siyayibona ke kuthiwa compound A reacts with compound E. Compound A react with compound E. Okay. Siyabonanzo the question. I'm just analyzing it bawethu. Mina njengoba ngi-analyze ngithatha isikhathi sami. Wena uzobe ujahile phela ujaha amamaki phela. Kodwa mina ngithatha isikhathi sami phela ngoba the main idea yala is to make you understand and to be ube so information eningi uzokwazi ukuthi usize abanye abantu. Compound A to compound E. Ithini u-E wethu na? It's CH or carbon number 2 no hydrogen number 5 no OH. This is ethanol plus, but it reacts nale butanoic acid. This is butanoic acid. This is butanoic acid. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, butanoic acid. I'm just unpacking this problem. This is E2, a reactor, no A. Uyosinikeza na. I guess it's a good question. Bazoyisola bangabuza ukuthi bazoyisola ukuthi abangabuza into elula kanje nawe ungazufo uboreke nje. Compound A reacts with compound E. If an alcohol reacts with a carboxylic acid, kwenzeka esterification, the formation of an ester. Is in an acid catalyzed condensation reaction, there must be an acid, sulfuric acid, reactor, which act as a catalyst, sulfuric acid. Write down the general name given to these reactions. The reaction generally it is a good esterification. Oh, esterification. So I'm going to first esterification. Write down the structural formula of organic product formed. Organic product formed. A product AQ after la. What is the structural formula? It's ethyl. Ungakhohlwa sine leyangwenya lana ozolinka nalo carbon lo kuphume from an alcohol kwaphuma lana kuphume lo kwaphuma nalokho kwayokwakha amanzi ngalena loya O waqhuma la saba no C double bafuna nje the structural formula. Oh bakwethu hey structural formula yakho nakonke lokho. Hey, kwazuka mnandi namhlanje. Kwazuka mnandi. Kwazuka kanjani na? Kwamnandi. Structural formula of the organic compound product formed. That is the structural formula. The IUPAC name of compound A. What is the IUPAC name? Wadudalo. Besengishilo. Yini kamalale compound na. It's a butanoic acid. But for carbon and single bonds between carbon, oic acid, it's C double bond OOH. So that's a butanoic acid. So sesingashola butanoic acid. Sengabuza ke into engabuzwanga just to make sure. Yini bangati yini igama lalo ya ester laphana. This is ethyl butanoate. So ayibuzwanga leyo kodwa sengiyayenzela nje ukuthi nawe ube mnandi ngawe. Ethyl what? Butanoate. So this is how some of these questions are asked kuleli paper le organic chemistry. This is how this question is asked.